How to log into TD Insurance account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can log into TD Insurance account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up your preferred browser. After that, head over to the search bar, and in the search bar type in TD Insurance. From here, navigate to the first link, that is www.tdinsurance.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Once you see this kind of interface, if you navigate to top right, under this menu bar, there's a login button. Click on login. After that, you will land on the login prompt. So wait for a while until the prompt loads up in your interface. So here it says login into my insurance. Scroll down a bit, and first of all you have to provide your username or access card associated with your account. So make sure you type in your correct username or access card. Under that, you have to enter the password linked with your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here. You have to click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your credential, click on login button, and if the credential is correct, you'll be logged in into your TD Insurance account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.